video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email in Google Play Store. So in every Play Store account, you can sign in with a Gmail account or a Google account. So you can change these emails if you have a lot of emails signed in on your mobile phone. So because of this tutorial, I've signed in multiple emails on this mobile phone, so I can use it for the tutorial here. So now let's get going. So to do this, you just need to, it's very simple. You just tap on your account. So you tap on your account here. So actually this is the email I've been using on this mobile phone, my tutorial mobile phone. So I've added new emails to it. So I'll just have to, I think, tap here, and then you get access to all the emails on here, and then you select any of them. So let me select this one. Good. So now I've changed the email. So let's say if you are installing something, the reason why mostly people change this email is, let's say I have my personal laptop, I have my email signed on it, and I want to download an app on my mobile phone, and let's say I'm charging my mobile phone, I just can install the app on it using my laptop. And since my email is being logged in here, the app installs automatically on my mobile phone. So that's why you change or you swap emails. So that's the concept. That's it. So if you want to install an app on your PC or on your laptop, you just need to change the email to the one you've signed in on your mobile phone, and then you go on and install it on your app. Automatically the app is going to appear on your mobile phone. So that's it on how you can change your email in Google Play Store. You can swap it here and there. So if you are new here, you do well to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you are old here too, I would say thank you for visiting our channel once again. So that's it for the video. Peace.